Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change footer color in Miss Word. Access the Word document, then double-click on the footer to access it. Then from there, you will go to the Insert menu. There you will click on Shapes and then choose the rectangle shape. You will set this rectangle in the footer of the document. Now from the menu Shape Format and Shape Fill, it is possible to define the color for the footer. When you exit the footer, you will see the result. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.